At that particular point in time, the day that Karter passed, where were you at physically?
The day that he passed, I was at work.
Where at?
In Milledgeville, Virginia.
And that was for one of the high schools up there, is that right?
Charles County High School.
And Mr. Benton was watching Karter, is that correct?
Yes.
Did you, when you found out that Karter was in distress, where did you go to? Where did you rush to?
I was on the phone with Mr. Benton, and he informed me that they were transporting him to the emergency room, so I met them at Peachtree County Emergency.
Now, the information that you provided to the sergeant in this matter, and also to Lieutenant Meadows, and we heard the video. To your recollection and way of thinking, is all that true and accurate to the best of your knowledge and belief?
Yes.
As far as the timetable is concerned, did you lay that out for Sergeant Collins and also for Lieutenant Meadows?
I did.
The Monday night before Karter passed on Tuesday, did you contact his father, Mr. Ambrose, as to whether or not he could watch the child?
I did.
And why was that?
Because I felt more comfortable with him being home with either me or Mr. Ambrose. However, I could not take off work that day, the next day. So I asked Mr. Ambrose if he could possibly take off work to watch him.
And he would not, is that correct?
That is correct.
Were y'all going through a little bit of a spat as far as the child support order is concerned at that time?
I was not. I think that I don't think he agreed with my going to do it through the court system. So I don't think we weren't really on good terms because of that.
But in any event, you went to work on that Tuesday.
Correct.
Ms. Davis, let me ask you this. As far as did you ever do anything to harm your child?
No.
I mean, this jury has to decide these charges against you. Was this child ever harmed or hurt or injured by you or in your presence? Now, Mr. Benton, from time to time, had been at your place and looked after Karter. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Your sworn testimony. Has Mr. Benton ever done anything in your presence or to your knowledge where he would harm this child?
No.
did you ever take any action to where as though you felt like you were being negligent in taking care of the needs of Karter?
No.
Do you recall the child at any point in time falling or hurting himself or being in an accident of some sort there at the residence?
No, I do not.
The Saturday before, you were at your granddaddy's house, is that right?
That's correct.
Did you keep a close eye on Karter the whole time?
Yes, because he's always up under me.
Ms. Davis, this happened almost 6 years ago, and do you still remember what happened during those days before?
Vaguely.
As you have explained once again, what happened then to Sergeant Collins and Lieutenant Meadows, do you stand by what you said?
Absolutely.
And also Marcus Jackson from DFAX was there, is that correct?
That is correct.
During the period of time after Karter passed away, did you try to stay in touch with the sheriff's department or law enforcement of some sort as to what was going on with the investigation?
Oh, yes. Yes, absolutely.
I mean, what would you do?
I was consistently calling them for the 3 years.
And who would you talk to, do you know?
They would never come to the phone. I was always referred to the assistant to leave my number, and that they would get back to me, and they would never get back to me, which is why I continued to call.
Would that just be law enforcement, or did you also try to contact the district attorney's office?
But I would contact one of our police department, the sheriff's department, and the district attorney's office.
And you heard the testimony of Sergeant Collins, and you met with him, did you not? And right after Karter passed away, and then a few weeks later, is that right?
That's correct.
Did you ever talk to him anymore?
We did have one phone conversation, and that's all.
And when was the next time you heard from anybody from the sheriff's department?
I did not hear from anyone from the sheriff's department anymore after my last meeting with Sergeant Collins.
Okay. And at some point, have you heard from Lieutenant Meadows, is that right?
A year later, yes.
And you drove down to meet with him, is that right?
That is correct.
And are you standing by the conversation or the information that you provided him at that meeting on December 2021?
Correct.
Did you still continue to try to get in touch with with law enforcement about this?
Yes, for 2 more years.
Did they ever call for you to come down here and meet with them anymore?
No, they did not.
And the whole time you were teaching in Gwinnett County, is that right?
That is correct.
In addition to law enforcement, did you also talk to the coroner's office?
I never spoke to the coroner's office. No.
Ms. Davis, you're under oath, once again. Did you ever do anything to harm your child?
No,
Did you ever do anything to where you were reluctant or unwilling or unable to seek medical care for this child?
no.
Judge, that's all I have. Thank you, Ms. Davis, Mr. Dwayne.